Hi guys. I'm just so amazed on how God works in his own mysterious ways. So for the past few months, I'm so worried kasi isa lang yung client ko and then parang nawawalan na ng task for me kasi masyado na sila nagiging busy and hindi na consistent yung working hours ko. So yun, medyo may doubt na parang anytime, parang feeling ko this will end soon. Ganun. So as a student na doon umaasa ng baon for and sa mga projects, sa thesis, so it is a really big thing. And then every day I constantly apply and pray na sana magkaroon ako ng backup work para if anytime na malawala na tong client na to, at least meron akong backup plan. So amazingly, may nag-reply sa online jobs page. Amazing lang. Kasi ang spontaneous. Doon kami nag-usap sa online jobs profile website mismo. Usap lang kami, what is your time there? Parang yung ganun lang. And then sabi niya, are you okay with this rate? If it's okay with you, you're hired na. Then, after a while, hired na ako dun sa OLJ profile ko. So amazing. Kasi God has His own plan talaga for you. Hindi ka niya talaga pababayaan. So when you have this strong faith with Him, and then nasamahan mo ng sipag, God will never fail you.